Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market and let's analyze the Bank Nifty chart as usual to find out important level for the next week. But along with that, I'm going to analyze one more sector which is looking very attractive on the current level. I'm going to discuss that Nifty sector and I will share the important levels also so that you can be aware with the important levels. So to know the Bank Nifty levels and that important sector levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and for your wealth creation. So first of all, let's discuss that important sector which I found looking very attractive on the current level, and I have opened that chart, and that sector is pharma sector. I have opened the weekly chart so that I can talk some long term scenario, and I have drawn some important lines also so that you can understand important levels. And you can see this line is looking a very strong support. How much, like in August 24, or I can say July 24 May, it has given a breakout from here, from this level, and from here it went to the level of this resistance, which is this trend line. You can see I have drawn this trend line also, where all these important candles is taking resistance, and here it has definitely went up but could not sustain and went again, came down below this trend line level. So that's why I have left this candle. So when you see here given a breakout, and this became very important support, and here also taken support, and then here also, but from here fell down, and then here also this was the swing low, and important low is 19,000, yes, and then again from here it went back to the same trend line resistance level, again same support, and then again here again same support, and again in 20 January 2026 again it took the support. Here you can see this support is 21,000, I can say 365 है, तो वी कैन से थोड़ा सा अगर इसको और नीचे कर ले, so we can say 21,300 roughly. So 21,300 is very crucial support, where already the Nifty Pharma has taken support here on the day of 2nd February Monday, and then from this week only, 2nd February को जो week start हुआ था, the first week of the February it has does this support again here, and then from here started recovering. यहाँ से एक सपोर्ट लेके इसने अच्छी रिकवरी दिखाई, विच यू कैन सी ऑन चार्ट clearly that here support, and then next week went up, then taking support above this candle. Okay, you can see here, you can, if you want you can zoom it out also so that you can see clearly, and here above this candle it has taken support, which is positive sign. And this week, which is ending on Friday, you can see again above this candle it has taken support. So it has taken support above this, means it is looking positive, good recovery from 21,300 to 22,650 here, last Friday level. 22,650 tak it has recovered very nicely, and here again it is going to face a resistance around 23,000, I can say. यहाँ पे 23,000 is going to be a good resistance, which is long term resistance, I can say, from here, from October 24, yes, October 24 was the same resistance, trend line resistance, which is again it is going to take a same trend line resistance around 23,000, which is little bit slightly down. और ये लेवल was 23,900, 23,900 was the all-time high for the Nifty Pharma, which is looking now, it is looking very near. If it's breaking 23,000, then it can reach to 23,900 only. We have to watch this 23,000 very closely coming week, next week, or next to next week. I don't know when it is going to break, but if it's breaking this 23,000, it will definitely reach to the 23,900, which is 900 1,000 point up from here. And from here then we have to watch, is it going upside? Breakout तो already हो जाएगा अगर ये ब्रेक करता है दिस लेवल ऑफ 23,000, तो 23,000 के बाद ब्रेकआउट तो होगा, बट इफ इट्स सस्टेनिंग और नॉट, दैट विल बी क्वेश्चनेबल. That will be confirmed only after the confirmation candle which is going to break this 23,900, or I can say 24,000 also, no problem. 24,000 break कर दे तो एक एक होल फिगर भी कैन टेक. 24,000 को ब्रेक करने के बाद it is going to give some more good upside for you all. So we have to watch the good fundamentally strong pharma stocks, but that should be very good stock, and that is also on your decision, because it is not any recommendation. I'm just discussing the sector Nifty Pharma. I'm not discussing any pharma stock. Even I'm not taking any name. Which pharma you like, or you can keep those good pharma stock in your watch list to watch for coming weeks, because abhi breakout nahi hua hai. So it is not confirmed that breakout is happened. Breakout will only happen after 23,000 and then 24,000. So 24,000 is a very good level for the Nifty Pharma, and 23,000 it may take resistance and then come back to this level of 21,300 again. It also a one possibility. We never know what is going to happen, but that's why I'm saying you have to watch some weeks, some coming weeks, some coming days, that what is going to happen at this resistance level. Okay. So this was, I have to actually this I have to discuss in detail all the thing about Nifty Pharma. Nifty Pharma is looking very attractive about 23,000 and then 24,000. सपोर्ट वही रहेगा 21,300 का. आई एम नॉट सीइंग व्हाई शुड ब्रेक बिलो दिस लेवल. इसके नीचे जाता है तो ऑफकोर्स दिस स्विंग लो will be the important support, which is 19,000 around. So I'm not talking, I'm not going on this level right now. कुछ होता है आगे तो that will see update, but अभी के लिए 21,300 is looking very very strong support, and the Nifty Pharma is looking very very good, recovering good, and looking very attractive. You can watch the good fundamentally strong pharma stock. You can just study those stocks, and you can keep those stock in your watch list so that you can watch the important level also. Even Nifty Pharma also, I just mentioned that you have to watch for the next week. The important Nifty Pharma levels I will mention again. Important support is 21,300. Important resistance is 23,000. 23,000 breaking will take it to 23,900 or 24,000 in coming weeks. Now let's quickly go to the Bank Nifty chart and let's discuss what is happening here. And you can see I have drawn important horizontal line here also. And yes, what all happened last week you can see here. I have drawn these two, this range of I can say it is consolidating in this, within this range. This important support which Nifty Bank is taking from long, I can say some weeks, few weeks. मैं कह सकती हूँ कि 2 3 4 weeks हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. Here from here you can see 60,000. ये 60,000 का support है. It is looking 60,000. I have taken the whole figure, round figure. 59,900 भी कह सकते हैं. 50,000 59,900. But yes, 59,900 to 60,000, many time it has taken support. You can see here, which was 3rd of February. Okay, from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, it has taken support here, went up, consolidated for 1 week, again went, uh, again came down, taken the same support of 60,000 or 59,000, 60,000, yes. And then again next day, very good recovery happened, but the support was the same, opened here, opened here at the same support of 60,000, and then went up and given a very very strong move. And from there it did not look back and touched the, uh, almost touched the all time high of 60,600 around, 60,000, sorry, 61,700, जो कि अराउंड ऑलमोस्ट ऑल टाइम हाई ही है. तो 61,700 अगेन इट हैज टेकन फ्रॉम देयर, फेल डाउन. उसी दिन प्रॉफिट बुकिंग. एंड दिस वाज द डे व्हेन Nifty Bank and even Nifty 50 fell more than 1%. No, there was no big reason, of course, but yes, uh, this happened. So यहाँ से I can say that day happened, the big profit booking happened. FIS ने बहुत अच्छी खासी सेलिंग की. आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 1,000 crore they have sold in the same day, one day. So very big profit booking happened on this day. So from here to here, a good more than 1% fall happened. And even next day on Friday, it has recovered, of course. From here, the lowest level, it has recovered little bit, but could not sustain above this last red candle, which is again looking little bit dicey, if it's going upside or downside. But I have drawn both the line. If it's going upside, it will stop here. It is going downside, it will stop here. Breaking upside means new all-time high. Breaking downside means again that this swing low of, I can say 57,800. But अभी ये बहुत ही दूर लग रहा है, तो I am not going to discuss this week for this level. No, not at all. So here we will be trading, we will be within this range, not beyond that and not beyond this. And this important support is of course 59,950, or I can say 60,000 roughly. 60,000 के लेवल को यू हैव टू वॉच फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक. और यहाँ पे द ऑल टाइम हाई ऑफ 61,800 वी कैन से विल बी अ इम्पॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस. अभी निफ्टी बैंक इसके बीच में ही कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है. So these two level will become very important level for the breakout or for the breakdown that we have to watch. So I will mention the Nifty Bank level also. Again, important support is 60,000 and important resistance is 61,800. And I already discussed the Nifty Pharma level also. Please watch closely the Nifty Pharma sector. It is very important. And tomorrow I'm going to discuss the Nifty 50 levels, of course, in Sunday video. And with that, I'm going to discuss some important global market. Like and share with your friends and subscribe the channel for stock market update and for wealth creation. Signing off.